it's Ange. Welcome to my page. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own cute snowman ornament. All the supplies you'll need are in the description section along with this video. I like to start off with sorting out the colors. I'm going to use the smaller ones of the ornaments first. Then we'll go ahead and pull out the bigger ornaments. Now we're going to go ahead and take off the top part of the bigger ornaments. I like to use this plier. It's easier for me, but I have used scissors. And you want to cut them out gently. You want to make sure all the top part of the ornament is off and it's feeling smooth. You don't have to have it too smooth. Sometimes it's hard to get those little pieces out. The hot glue will cover those tinier pieces. We'll do it to all of them, just to get it out of the way. Some people like to do this one by one. I like to get it all out of the way. Now we're going to put hot glue on the top part of our bigger ornament. This is the section that we had taken off earlier. You want to make sure it's around the inner part and place the top part on. We'll call that the head part. Press it down and we'll let it dry on the holder. We'll go ahead and do the rest like this. Make sure you got a good amount of glue. Press down. Just let that sit there also and dry. And these are fun projects for your bigger children. I like to make a batch of these and send them out for the holidays to a bunch of friends and family members. This is a great gift for teachers, students, grandparents. And let's not forget about those aunts and uncles. Let's not forget that girly type. I've done a lot of just all pink with different types of ribbons. Those came out very beautiful. I've also done solid blues. But again, mixing and matching is always fun. There we have it. Now we'll get our ruler. We're going to measure out all our ribbons. I chose a variety of colors. We'll do about 8 inches here. Just cut it there. And now I won't need the ruler. I'll go ahead and align the rest of the ribbons with the first ribbon that I have. And we'll cut it there as well. We'll use a blue mesh for this blue guy here. That ought to look very cute. Now that we have all our ribbons, we'll go ahead and get the scarves on. And you can measure them how you'd like. Either way, the scarves look just as cute. I like to have the bottom part measured up with the bottom part of the ornament. So the bottom part of the ribbon with the bottom part of the ornament. Then I'll glue the top, go around. Since this is mesh, we'll go ahead and let that hot glue seep right through the top. I'm going to press down firmly. There. That is, and we'll put the rhinestone on. I'm going to use my pliers here and make sure we don't grab our fingers. I've done that many times before. And you don't want to press too hard on these rhinestones. It's kind of easier to grasp without pushing it too hard. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and place it on top of the ribbon. And if you don't want to use rhinestones, you can use buttons, pearls, feathers. There's other cute ideas out there that you can be creative with. We're going to go ahead and do this. Use a pink ribbon for this blue one, because I know the pink's going to shine and pop out. These two colors look great together. These guys look so cute already. You could add rhinestones for the eyes, for the nose, for the mouth, also for the button area. You can be as creative as you'd like, and they will just come out absolutely adorable. Don't forget to take off that excessive glue, excess glue. And we're going to go ahead and place the hooks on each one of these guys. This was a very fun and relaxing project. I always like doing this every year. I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed it as well. It's a very cheap DIY project, guys. Okay, and there you have it, your very own snowman ornaments. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe.